What is going on, guys? Back with another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be covering a nanocat meme coin that I am bullish on, that I do think has good potential. It is extremely high risk though, so of course you do need to be aware of that. This is Mr. Gold. I did bring an overview of this project in one of my previous videos. This is a very new project. This is less than a week old, but it has a very, very hot narrative, which I think could really cause this to surge. Obviously, guys, we've seen the price of gold just skyrocket over the past few years, especially over the past year. And, it's pretty much done over a 2x from, around 2 years ago back in 2023. Has had a little bit of a pullback, guys, but the reason that I like this project is because it fits into a very good narrative, right? Because there are an insane amount of people who hold gold, and essentially what Mr. Gold is about. It is essentially, you can see here, while the meme market struggles, one gentleman's assets are soaring to all-time highs in relation to people who hold gold. As a brilliant investor, will the legendary Mr. Gold make his grand rotation into crypto? Mr. Gold is the token which bets on the ultimate smart money move. Don't just follow the trend, follow the treasure. Welcome to the golden age. So basically, what this relates back to, guys, is whenever you want to make money, or for example, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, whether it's gold, whatever it is, gold has been surging at an insane rate, and this is something which is true. I know quite a lot of people who hold gold, they don't hold crypto, and they have been really speculating on whether or not to basically rotate their gains from gold into crypto, right? And this is something which is happening at a massive, massive rate. And you can imagine what it will do for the crypto market, even for altcoins generally. The high caps, the mid caps, the low caps, and eventually the micro and nano caps. So as a meme coin play, this one does fit really well into this trend, into this narrative. You can see as well the website is very high quality. They've got this character, this Lego style character, which is really cool. You can see here Mr. Gold is more than a meme. He's a symbol of value, prestige, and vision. Born from the golden spirit of Web3, the project embodies excellence, exclusivity, and the pursuit of lasting worth in a digital age. So good little manifesto there as well. For example, people who have gold, again, ties into that narrative. They can relate to this, even if you don't have gold. It just is a good movement, in my opinion. And, you can tell that they've put quite a lot of effort into, these memes, which are available. The artwork on this is really cool, and I like it a lot. So, very interesting project. The fact that it's sat at a 40k market cap, I do think this has good potential to do some good returns. Obviously, guys, it is very high risk. It's a nano cap, so if you're in meme coins, you probably already know that. But in terms of a narrative, in terms of a play that can do well, they also have a good looking roadmap in place. Phase one, which obviously is to establish the character, which obviously they've done, and then phase two, building the vault, the community first. Still very early, guys. Around 300 holders, so very new project. As I've said, it is around 4 days old. Also, they've got plans for NFTs. They've got plans for big partnerships and cross-project collaborations. And then going into phase three, they're basically looking to get more listings, more centralized exchange listings, more decentralized exchange listings, and also look to introduce some sort of a club for some of the holders, launch staking and reward systems for long-term holders. So it definitely does have potential if the team can really continue to push this out. And then obviously phase four, they have more in terms of pushing this project out there and getting more and more adoption. But a very good looking website. Come over to the X. Obviously, very new project, as I've said. Looks like they've got this listing a few days ago. But for me, what's important is to see how consistent they are with the posts, with the updates, with the memes that they push out. And that is what I like about the project. You can see that they are, pushing out more and more content. And yeah, overall, guys, I just think that it looks like it could be a good runner. You can see here merch landing soon. So, obviously they've got some plans for merch as well, which, does look promising. But overall, guys, as I've said, we are going to see a big rotation from people who hold gold into crypto, guys. As I've said, I think, we are going to have a huge rally very soon. Obviously with the market now, it's shaken out a lot of the weak hands. But as I've said, guys, it's never the time to be selling when we get this fear, because things will turn around. And as a meme coin play, guys, obviously for a nanocat meme coin, this is something which I do think has potential, because it's got the narrative, it's got a very good sort of character behind it, this gold character, Lego character. So yeah, guys, Obviously, guys, make sure to do your own research. None of this is financial advice. I will drop down the token in the comments, and make sure to do your own research, guys. But at a 40k market cap, this is something which could move pretty aggressively. Obviously, put in a small amount, and hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for the next video.